Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix Samsung tablet won't turn on, a step-by-step walkthrough. Number 1. Perform a soft reset. Press and hold both the power button and volume down button for 10 to 20 seconds. Release the buttons when the Samsung logo appears, indicating the device is restarting. Number 2. Charge the device. Connect your tablet to the original charger and plug it into a working outlet. Leave it to charge for 30 minutes to an hour. Check that the charging port and cable are not damaged or obstructed. Number 3. Check for liquid damage. Inspect the liquid damage indicator (LDI) in the SIM card slot. If it shows pink or red, it may indicate liquid exposure. Number 4. Boot into recovery mode. Turn off the device, then press and hold volume up, home, and power buttons simultaneously. Release when the Samsung logo appears and navigate to reboot system now using the volume buttons. Thanks for watching.